Hey guys, Mike is back with another experiment and another comparison video with the 6.5 speakers. As you can see on the description, the thumbnail, it's going to be Pioneer 4-way speaker, and we're going to unbox. We're going to take a look at those speakers. This is the one of the best selling speakers. They outsell any speakers, right? I have a two different version of Pioneer, 2-way and the 4-way version. Also, I have a cheap Scosche speaker, the replacement speaker. I did on my previous video, unboxing sound comparison. I'm gonna do the quick comparison on this video with the 4-way cheap speaker and 4-way like double price speaker, right? We're gonna see the sound details, how they perform on the open air, right? And we're gonna give them some power, so we're gonna see how this they will handle the power, and if it's any better to get the 4-way speaker, or it is like a 2-way speaker is more than enough. I have a bunch of JBLs, all that stuff. So let's unbox this. This is a Pioneer speaker, 320 watts TS-600M. I have a TS-400M also, and the Pioneer always, the package is good, and the reason why they're selling a lot, they sound decent, right? Let's unbox this speaker. Boom. That's how you unbox the speaker. So this is the speakers inside, and this is the 4-way speaker. The build quality, I like it. It's a little bit better than Scosche, half price speaker. And as you can see, the Pioneer start making improvements. They start making the holes to the cone area, right? And to be honest, I get used to it, to unboxing a lot bigger speakers, a lot heavier speakers. But when I touch these speakers, like these guys, are really small. So you have filters for tweeters. Surprisingly, all the tweeters is wired up. So we're gonna close it and we're gonna see if these tweeters actually works or not. So frequency response on these guys like around 20,000, like always. And the Pioneer, most Pioneers comes with the universal adapter. That's really good. And the grills also you can install on your vehicle, and you have a Pioneer speaker, so you're not gonna get busted, right? It's the budget speaker. So this is the replacement speaker, or this is upgrade speaker. We're gonna find out now. So let's try some juice. I have a I can pronounce that name, Scosche speaker. This is HD, also the 4-way. You see that difference? Yeah, the Pioneer designers get a lot better. So surface area, it's a lot wider. So these cone areas, you see, it's the designers working on these guys. They just burn that area and make this a lot smaller. So it means that a lot smaller sound wave is coming. It's gonna be compressed, right? Let's connect them, and we're gonna give them the same power. Yes, this is a 6.5 speaker. I was always like looking, this is a 6.5 speaker or not? It's like 6.25, right? It's 675 speakers, right? But it is 6.5. And the Pioneer's build quality, it's much better. And design-wise, shallow sitting-wise also, you see. It's more thoughts on it, just more the speakers. And this speaker is like just a replacement, not the upgrade speaker, right? As I said on my previous video. So let's play some music, guys. Of course, we're gonna give the same power for the both speakers, same volume output, and we're gonna see which one is efficient, which one is nicer and brighter. Let's start from the Scosche. I always start from the cheaper version here. let's get back to the Pioneer. This is the message when you're saving half of the price, what kind of difference you're gonna get. $26 versus $46, $47, almost $50, right? So this is the best seller. So now we're gonna get back for this guy and we're gonna give a lot more different. Surprisingly nice, not bad at all. Surprisingly, the bass is a lot efficient and it's a sound quality is not bad at all for the price, right? Of course, I'm not comparing like I did the previous video, like you know, the monster speakers, 6.5s, but this guy is upgrade. This guy is definitely upgrade. It's gonna sound better than any. I'm gonna go grab some, you know, after the stock speakers from the all the vehicles. I will compare these, you know, the nicer ones with the stock speakers. So we're gonna see like how much power you're gonna get, how much sound quality you're gonna get on the on future, right? So let me play some vocal music, and we're gonna see how it will perform on the vocals.
Saying to you, 'cause I'm looking in your eyes, you're looking past mine, but I'm just trying to break this cycle. Why are you staring at the door like I'm in the way? If you leave
all of the snow in this winterland used to look so pretty, now making me moody. And I was alone with my feels, spent too much time thinking in the end you'll be with me. Maybe I'm just getting it now.
Not bad, not bad at all. What I can say, is it bad? No, for price it's decent, but can we find the better speaker than this for the same price? Of course you can find, always, depending what kind of amplifier you use, depending what you use. You can get, you know, mid-range speakers and you watch. You're like ready to buy, this is nice speaker, right? Now the mic is gonna, you know, blow your mind again, like always. Imagine same power you're gonna give for this speaker. This is the same music, right? Same power. I'm not touching the power. Why?
you say take me on a treasure hunt.
Watch this music.
I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me. Fairies when they sing and dance. Oh, I wish it was me. Every night when I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me.
As you can see, a lot, you know, the different level of sounding, because different level of speakers. This is a pro audio. It's made to outscream everybody, and even you give the small power, of course this guy is going to be performing different, but you have to install tons of alternators, amplifiers, all the crap. So back into the Pioneer, we're going to compare these speakers with the JBLs. We're going to compare with the Alpine Type S. We're going to compare with the Kenwood, where we have 2-3 different kind of kicker, and some difference. Who's going to get the best 5 speakers? I will install in the box. You see, like, hey, Mike, you doing again? You do that all the open air test? As I say on my previous videos, if this thing it smells bad in the small bucket, it will smell exactly the same with the bigger bucket, right? Maybe it's gonna be bigger smell. If its speaker smells on the sounds open air, the bad, like some speakers, it will sound bad when you install it, right? So I'm not gonna waste my time doing all, you know, the crazy installation, all that stuff. I will test them. I will pick the best of the best ones, and I will compare with them together. No matter what the size, no matter what the price range, all that stuff. All right. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, definitely guys subscribe it, and I will unbox different speakers. I will do like 10 videos today. All right. I'm out for now. I'll see you in the next video.